You are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to put a text behind an image in Canva. Let's go. I'm going to search for under template. I'll select this template option. Search for YouTube thumbnail. Select this blank template. This is our template. I'm going to change the color of the background to black. So you can change just any color of your choice. It must not be black. This is it. Go over to uploads. Add my image. Remove the background. Adjust the size to your taste. Go to your left hand side, click on text. Click on add a heading. Let me just type anything. This is my text. Take it up. Before we go further, if you have watched this video to this level, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on this video so that YouTube can push out this video to more audience that need this kind of tutorial. Also, if you have not watched the video on Canva tutorial step-by-step guide for beginners, check this video's description. You are going to find the link there so you can go and watch it and understand how to use Canva better. Canva is very simple and easy to use. Let's go. This is my text. I'm going to highlight my text to give it more effect. First of all, increase the font size. You can increase font through this plus sign. I'll add effects to make it more beautiful and bold. So I'll click on effects here. I'm going to use outline. There are different effects. When you watch the step-by-step guide for beginners on Canva, you understand better. I'm going to adjust the thickness. I'll use this line. Adjust the thickness. I explained everything in that video. Change the color. It's time for us to send this text backward. That is, put it behind this image. There are two ways you can do this. You can simply use this position here. Click on position, then click on backward. You can see our text is already backward. This is it. You can adjust your text to any length you want, to any size you want. I'm going to show you the second way to do this. So I'm going to click on undo. So that's the second way to do this is to right click on your keyboard, come over to layer, then click on send backward, and this is it. So this is how to put a text behind an image in Canva. If you found this useful, subscribe, like this video, comment and share this video.